Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the latest news on the stock market's impressive rally as we close out September. So, grab your coffee and let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the S&P 500. It ended September on a high note, closing positively for both the month and the quarter. After a bit of a rocky start, the market rebounded thanks to a significant Federal Reserve interest rate cut. This move pushed the S&P 500 up by 1.4% in September, while the Dow saw a similar 1.4% increase, and the Nasdaq surged by 2.2%. Now, despite some periods of uncertainty throughout the third quarter, investors have remained optimistic. The Dow is on track to finish the quarter 7% higher, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq trailing closely behind, with gains of 5% and 2% respectively. This positive trend is largely attributed to strong earnings, lower interest rates, and sustained consumer spending. But hold on, we need to consider October's historical market volatility. It's notorious for some notable Wall Street drawdowns, so upcoming labor data releases will be crucial. These will offer insights into the economy's health and potentially influence market direction. Now let's dive into the sector and stock highlights. Tesla's stock surged by an impressive 30%, driven by excitement over its upcoming robotaxi debut and delivery reports. However, some analysts are skeptical about the immediate impact on Tesla's bottom line. Small-cap stocks also emerged as potential winners this quarter, especially if Donald Trump secures a victory in the upcoming election. Wells Fargo strategist Christopher Harvey suggests that small caps could see significant near-term outperformance under a Trump presidency, citing historical price action. The utility sector, it's on track for its best quarter since 2003. The S&P 500 utility sector added over 18% in the third quarter, thanks to strong earnings and favorable market conditions. Investors are watching closely to see if this momentum will continue. Let's take a quick look at the global market trends. Chinese stocks had their best day in 16 years, driven by economic stimulus measures and positive manufacturing data. This boost has significantly increased investor confidence in the Chinese market. Meanwhile, the yen strengthened against the dollar, appreciating by 11.1% in the third quarter. This gain is attributed to the Bank of Japan's decision to raise interest rates, making the yen more attractive to investors. The dollar's performance against the yen will likely be influenced by future interest rate decisions and economic data. And finally, gold prices soared by roughly 6% in September, reaching record highs and marking their best quarter in over 8 years. This surge was driven by factors such as the Federal Reserve's interest rate cut, Chinese economic stimulus efforts, and escalating geopolitical tensions, all of which increased the appeal of gold as a safe haven asset. So, there you have it. The stock market's rally as we close out September has been nothing short of impressive. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates as we head into October. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.